Hi guys, so today I'm going to do haircut on myself. So for that I've washed my hair, I've shampooed it, I've conditioned it. It will be easy for you guys when you shampoo and condition it. So I've taken a scissor and a comb, and you can see the length of my hair. I'm almost keeping the same length. I'll just trim it and I'll give some layers. That's all. Now I'm detangling my hair so that there should be no tangle at all, guys. You have to be detangling your hair while you cut your hair, and just make it two parts. Now this is how I'm giving a U shape to my hair, guys. This is just like a trim. You can just see that in front part of it I'll just take a partition slantly, don't take it straight, slant. And you can see my finger position, it is slant. That is, when you keep finger, the finger position should be in such a way that uh, your finger position should be short to long length. So that's how, just take and measure your how much length you want and just cut it. Now I'm taking next part of it, the same, the partition is the same, and I'll just add a little bit which I've already cut it to the next part. And when I just take, you'll get to know the guideline how much to cut, and that will be like, a guideline for you, and you can cut according to how much that guideline will be there. And please make sure your finger position should be slant, and your haircut should be from short to long. And don't worry if that your length is going that much. Only your front length is going that much, your back length will be the same, guys. Don't worry about the length. And you can see, as time goes, the length of the hair which I'm cutting is also getting tamed down. That is what I'm saying, guys. So just front length will go, and I'm showing you guys that only, that the back length I'm just leaving, I'm not cutting that much. That means that is the length of your hair, that will be the same. And now I'm going to my next part of it. So here I'm just taking the part which I've already cut a little bit, and taking the part which I've already and which I've not cut it, I'll just take everything to the front, and I'll cut to that guideline so that it should be, the length should be the same. So I'll do the same thing, guys. And this side, right handers, be very careful. It is little bit trickier. Just make sure that you're cutting from short to long, not long to short. Please make sure that this happens. And left handers also be very careful to the opposite side. It is little bit trickier, guys. And now you can see that have trimmed down all my hair, and you can see little bit of difference because my hair is not dried fully. Now I'm giving my hair a layer. So for that, I've just parted my hair behind the ears, and my front hair I'm clipping it down. So we'll use my front hair later. We'll just concentrate on the back hair now. And one part of my back hair, I'm detangling it. Please detangle your hair really nicely. I'm detangling it towards upwards because I'm taking all my hair towards upwards, guys. So that's why I'm detangling it towards upwards. Detangle nicely. And now I'm taking all my hair towards upwards, and you can see that most of the hair has been fallen. That is our hair length, guys. That gives our hair length, and that's why it is just fallen. Which I'm cutting now is the top hair of your head, and that actually gives you layers. So that's why I'm cutting it that. And it depends how much layers you want. If you want more, you can cut more. If you want less, you can cut less. I'm doing the same thing towards other side also, and you can see I've taken a little bit of the side which I've already cut, and that acts as a guideline, guys. I'll just take everything towards upwards, and you can see the measurement I'm taking upwards, and later I'm just bringing that towards downwards. I'm just take everything towards upward, measure it, and just keep that measure only. Don't lose your fingers, and just bring everything toward downwards and cut to the same level as you cut it before. Now I'm taking everything towards front, and I'll just cut a little bit, that's all. I don't cut a lot. I don't want more layers, that's why. If you want more, you can cut more. And that is also top of your hair, and it is not bottom, and it is not the length. I'll do the same thing towards others. I'll just follow my guideline, and I'll cut the same thing. Guideline is really important. You can see this is a very mild layer I have given. You can see the length is same, and the U shape have come, and the layer is also very little bit. When I leave my hair, it is fine, but I wanted more for my pony also. So I'm taking all my front hair which I had clipped, I'm taking that towards front. I'm detangling it, and I'm just measuring how much I want. You can take a lot also, and just cut, guys, that's all. What I'm doing is I'm just taking the top hair, the length I've already left it, and here I'm tapering it down, because curly hair and wavy hair people will be having volume, and if you do that, the volume will be less, that's all. And it just gives a nice fall. You can see the difference towards that side and this side. Now I'm doing the same thing towards others, and I'm taking guideline. Yes, guideline is really important, because if you don't take guideline, you may cut differently, and the layers will be different both sides. I'm tapering everything down, guys. You can see after my haircut how nicely, even when I just tie a pony, the layers is coming. And this is the hair before my setting down. I didn't blow dried or anything, it just dried naturally. The length is same, and the layers have come really beautifully. I really loved it. And this is after my straight blow dry, guys. You can see the length have not gone, and I wanted that. I don't wanted my length to go. And you can see when I just tie my pony, how nicely the layers will come, and when I leave also, layers will come really nicely. And the front hair, it may look little short, but after 2 days it will just settle down, and later it looks really beautiful, guys. Just 2 days. For me, for my front hair, it always happens after 2 days, it just gets settled down, and the fall will be really nice. You can see this is my usual hairstyle, and how nicely the layers have come. So this is what I liked. Yes, guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Bye bye.